Hey, hello, guys. As we see now, we are in the forest. Are you seeing the nature of Africa? You see the trees everywhere. There is a good oxygenation, good climate, not cool, not hot. You are seeing the birds around. You are seeing the nature, which is very good. As you see, I'm eating this is sugar cane. In Africa, even if in some ways life is tough, on another hand, life is very sweet because there's no pollution, there's no air pollution, there's no water pollution. The environment is very good, is very clean. So when you want to take a rest, when you want to relax, when you want to refresh your mind, come in Africa. Come somewhere in Africa and take a rest and travel, climb the mountain, visit the area, visit the gorilla, visit the parks. In Africa, they are very rich for the nature. They are good nature. They are good place to visit. We see on the websites very good place to visit. So come in Africa as I do and visit more places. We will enjoy the beauty of the nature and we will be satisfied at any amount. And you will tell me in the comments if the nature in Africa is very good. There's no hot climate, there's no cold climate. The temperature is around 25 degrees Celsius, 26, 27, 28, not above 30. It's very good, I swear to God. Thank you.
Niko abana mu bungu ntabwo babarira muri no shyamba.